Want to learn how to do an inside corner, so you just press your baseboard up, and then you want to make a 45-degree angle and just nick it right there so you know where you're going. So now all you gotta do is score it. You don't want to go all the way through, but oops, didn't line that up right. Okay, make another cut. And then down here, you want to cut the bottom of your base of 45, just where the lip is, because this lip will hit. So, and see, now just look at that. You just push that up into the corner, and you're all good. See, that's perfect, right? That's it. So you just need to know how to glue.
You just put your mayonnaise on.
Yeah. You need. So glue past the corner. Be generous with the mayo. And then slap that on. And you want to just push it nice and even so that the top of the base is stuck. Wow, this wall's flimsy. Just push into the wall. So I'm pushing this way so that my corner is nice and flush. And if you add a little bit of glue in the corners, you can feel it. You can work that glue. And then just wipe off the excess.
Voila.